Perched 1,470 meters above sea level in the mountains of southeast Brazil, Cancha House is a testament to how architecture can be born from pure observation and a deep connection to the land. Designed by Estúdio HAA, the house was envisioned not in a drawing studio, but directly on site, on a natural plateau accessible only by a steep dirt road. This dramatic elevation difference from the nearest paved road dictated both the challenges and the strategy for the construction. And in a clearing shaped like a shell, the land itself whispered the design. Architect Homa Alvaco approached the site like an explorer seeing it for the first time. Amid tall grass and a natural amphitheater-like slope, two curious rock formations caught his eye. Despite having no preconceptions, his attention kept returning to those stones. They seemed to call out for purpose. Upon closer inspection, they revealed themselves as perfect anchors, equal in height and 5 meters apart, becoming the unexpected foundation for the house's primary structure. From these two stones came the central idea, a pair of massive CLT, cross-laminated timber, beams spanning 14 meters, laid directly across the rocks. These beams form the house's structural gantries and set the elevation for the first floor, with one side resting on nature and the other on a precisely engineered steel frame. The house appears to float, opening fully to a breathtaking panoramic view of Pedra do Bau. This interplay of natural rock and engineered timber creates a poetic contrast, both rugged and refined. The floor plan is composed of two symmetrical blocks. One is transparent, light-filled, and open to the landscape, designed for social interaction and gathering. The other is private and introspective, clad entirely in ebonized wood, including its openings, suggesting a calm and enclosed retreat. In addition, a repurposed shipping container nearby serves as a guest room, with an external bathroom and service area, adding a modular layer to the ensemble. Material selection was deliberate and honest. The long wooden beams are left visible, and their warmth contrasts the steel and stone, amplifying the connection between architecture and environment. This minimalist palette allows the landscape to remain the protagonist, with every detail reinforcing the sense that the house belongs not on the site, but within it. But construction here wasn't easy. The steep, muddy road made material delivery a logistical puzzle, especially during the heavy March rains. Days of work were lost waiting for breaks in the weather. The house's timeline became one with nature's rhythm, as trucks stalled in the mud and the sky refused to clear. During these moments, the team was reminded of the Brazilian classic Waters of March by Tom Jobim, a lyrical ode to the unpredictable, poetic essence of the month. Ultimately, Cancha House is not just a place to live. It's a narrative built into the hillside, a home anchored to rock, shaped by terrain and softened by wood. It represents a rare blend of intuition and precision, where a simple observation, 2 stones in a field, was transformed into a bold architectural gesture. It's a reminder that sometimes the most profound designs come not from the drawing board, but from listening to what the land has to say. Cancha House stands as a symbol of balance between the wild and the crafted, where a house doesn't conquer the land, but rather joins its story. And in doing so, it offers a powerful reference for those seeking a more responsive, site-sensitive form of modern living.